Whee! Whoopee! It's so fun!
Okay, Beagle, it's my turn now.
Okay, Louie. Oh, Louie, I'm hungry.
But it's just on my turn.
I want to eat. Bingo, don't be sad. Look. Wow! Let's go, Bingo. Wow, so big. A lot of snacks. PeaPea, what is this machine? Wow, this is a candy vending machine. Wow, so how can I get this candy? Ta-da! You put the coin here. And here you go, and candy. Wow, thank you, PeaPea. PeaPea, I want more candies. Uh-oh, I don't have any more coins.
I'm still hungry. Hey guys, what's going on here?
We want to get candy in this candy vending machine, but we are out of coins, and Bingo is hungry.
Oh, I have coins. Ta-da!
Yay, PeaPea!
So, how should I use them?
I know. First, you put the coin here. Then, you press the button to select the candy you want.
Really? Nice! Oreo! Oreo! Beagle, PeaPea, now it's your turn. Pick one.
Yay! I choose Kit Kat. Yummy! Here, Louie, Bingo.
Thank you, PeaPea.